Do you want to know how you can siphon your competitors' traffic and then make the traffic your very own in 3 simple steps? Hello and welcome to my PixlyPro review. I'm Daniel Gossage from danielgossage.com. PixlyPro is all about retargeting your competitors' traffic to become your very own. The software allows you to simply enter your competitor's URL, which is the website address, then add it to the PixlyPro call to action software. The software will then kick into action and target the traffic from the website, blog or video. This really is the ultimate competitor spying software that makes it viral. Marketing campaigns that will earn you large affiliate commissions from 1 to 3 cents per click. PixlyPro will make retargeting easier, cheaper and also more powerful by adding an easy to use viral feature to snowball your traffic results. Why wait and wait for traffic to come to you? Why not take your website to the traffic? If you have tried paid traffic ads from Facebook, Twitter or anywhere else, you will know just how expensive high quality traffic that converts costs. It's well known in the marketing circles that it takes on average 7 times for your visitors to see an ad before becoming your customer. So if you are not retargeting, it is costing you more than just your ad spend. Your ad spend is probably just warming up your visitor for your competitor. You are simply handing them the sale, your profits and your business. But do this right and take advantage of retargeting their visitors now for pennies on the dollar. If you have tried retargeting before with Facebook or similar, you'll probably have found that your ad spend was still too high or that it was impossible to install their pixel code on every page that you want to retarget. Yes, it can be a little confusing and frustrating. Also, you even have to have a website in the first place. If you are sending any type of traffic to an affiliate promotion, the second that they click on that page, they are gone to you forever. You then have to do the work all over again, or pay again and again. Simply using Facebook isn't going to cut it. Sure, you'll probably get a few clicks, but to get really noticed, you will need more than a few visitors from Facebook. Also, you'll find that it's near to impossible to scale, as you will need to make new pages, add the pixel code to every page, and then get retargeted traffic from more places than just Facebook. You'll soon realise that it just isn't worth the time and the effort and the extra dollars spent. PixlyPro is the answer to this. It will get you a huge audience without any of these problems. PixlyPro will let you easily add your retargeting pixel to 6 of the internet's top sources of traffic at the cheapest possible prices, so that you can tap into highly profitable penny clicks. The name of these top sites are Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest and Quora. You've probably heard of these already, I'm sure you have. I mentioned earlier that you didn't need a website or to install a piece of pixel code to every page of your website, right? Let me explain this so that you can, well, understand just how easy this is, as this is where the real magic starts. You'll need to set up your account and then you'll be able to hijack any link online. It's fully hosted and will work with any page online, whether it's a competitor's website, their posts, videos or even product pages, affiliate links or on any network, in any niche and for any product. Even your own web pages, blog posts, social media shares, etc, etc. The list just goes on. PixlyPro is fully hosted and will work on any page online. It will add a call to action to any viral content anywhere online. This really is a very powerful tool Simply take any website link that you find online, choose what you want to happen when people go to that link and make a button, opt-in form or banner display on any page. Then share your link like you normally would do with a friend on Facebook, to your email list or on your YouTube channel, etc. Whatever you do is perfect, as this software will share whatever you wanted to happen, and instead of losing anyone that clicked off your page without clicking your link, you can now reconnect with them and their friends as well as anyone else who is interested in your content. Previously, you were unable to get access to the person who shares your posts, or the person who shares that post, or all of those people who then go and share those posts as well. Now you can tap into a massive audience that continues to grow like wildfire. Make sure to get in now at the lowest price and get ready to grab your top quality 100% viral traffic from the leading social networks effortlessly. Convert warm audiences into fresh leads, buyers and profits. Even siphon premium traffic from high authority blogs direct to your own offers without a large ad budget, technical skills or even a website. So click on the link below this video and make sure to grab everything before the time runs out. Once this launch is over, the cost of PixlyPro will triple. If you want high quality traffic that converts for pennies on the dollar, make sure that you make the right choice and purchase PixlyPro right now. And remember, my big bonus package is waiting in the download area for you as soon as you complete your purchase. You will also get all of the vendors' bonuses, which are Bonus 1, a live coaching call where you'll be shown how to rank any website, blog store or video on Google's page 1 within 24 hours or less. This is a ninja method that is yet unknown in the marketplace, so prepare to be amazed. Complete with live case studies to bring the system to life. Not to be missed, the value of this product is $497. Bonus 2, Instant Content Generator. This software creates tons of quality articles that will boost traffic to your site. They are automatic SEO optimized and will generate heaps of backlinks to any blog, store or video. Just choose your keyword and press go. This is valued at $497. Then we have Bonus 3, Sales Ninja Pro. This gives you live scarcity on steroids. This software will ensure that your sales go through the roof by applying scarcity counters to your products, valued at $97. Bonus 4, Keyword Generator Pro. The best ways to get the highest SEO rankings is to have the best keywords. This software pulls the hottest search terms from Google, Bing, Yahoo, YouTube, Amazon and eBay. Just key your search term and watch the magic happen before your very eyes, valued at $147. Bonus 5, Conversion Genie. Create multiple pop-ups using this powerful software, sliding, lightbox or fixed. Just choose your pop-up and press publish. It really is that simple. With this bonus, this will transform your conversions and sales, and it's valued at $147. Now, don't forget to check out my bonuses linked with it. Make sure to like this review video and subscribe to my channel so that you'll not miss out my latest and greatest reviews. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to click the link below. That'll take you over to our bonus page where you can get PixlyPro.